Long before man roamed these lands, there was a war in heaven. The victors declared themselves gods, while the vanquished were renamed Titans, and forever imprisoned within the bowels of Mount Tartarus.
The Herculean king, Hyperion, has declared war on all of humanity!
The gods.
If there is one human who could lead them against Hyperion, it would be Theseus. I have faith in you. Prove me right.
I don't know if I can do what Zeus asks of me, but you can see the future.
I cannot change the future. You can.
I have moved every precious stone your people worship upon. My mark will be left on this world forever.
No!
It doesn't matter who you are, or where you come from, or what you look like, or where you love. It doesn't matter whether you're black or white, or Hispanic or Asian, or Native American, or young or old, or rich or poor, able, disabled, gay or straight. You can make it here in America if you're willing to try. I believe we can seize this future together.
Mornings before that tonight, Norwegian authorities were investigating strange lights seen in the Arctic sky. The spiralling white light was seen for several minutes Wednesday morning. Locals say the light appeared to be bigger than the moon. Thousands of Norwegians bombarded the Meteorological Institute to ask what that light could have possibly been. Some feared it could have been a meteor, others a black hole, and there are even those that thought it could be aliens.
Chose well.
The people of Israel and the Palestinians are living side by side in peace and security.
Living side by side in peace and security.
To fashion a peace that will ensure Israel's security.
In which both the Israeli people and the Palestinian people can live in peace and security. Peace and security, peace and security. Two states living side by side in peace and security. Greater peace and security for the entire region.
So today, I state clearly and with conviction America's commitment to seek the peace and security of a world without nuclear weapons.
You think your world is safe. It is an illusion. A comforting lie told to protect you. Enjoy these final moments of peace. For I have returned to have my vengeance. So, shall we begin?